My name's Steve Strauss. I'm a professor of forest biotechnology at Oregon State University in the USA, and I teach and do research on application of biotechnology, particularly to forest trees and horticultural crops. Yeah, I find the work that I do important because the science is exciting. The science and the crops I deal with, these horticultural crops and trees, is very challenging. Doing a lot of the very fancy techniques we have in model plants is actually very difficult to apply because these organisms are recalcitrant, difficult. And it's very important because there's a lot of things we'd like to do to help these trees and crops cope with a changing climate, be more productive, be more tasty, be more disease resistant. It's also exciting because society tends to have a hard time with some of the biotechnologies we do. So explaining to students, explaining to the larger society their safety and benefits is an ongoing challenge that I enjoy. The future of biotech is just unbounded. From a science point of view, there are so many things happening, perhaps CRISPR and all its variations and evolutions that we're seeing about at this conference are very exciting. There's so many things that we can do now. And there's also a lot of challenges to figuring out how to solve a problem using them. It's one thing to be excited about the science. It's another thing to solve a problem in the real world. And so I like to work with one foot in each of those two worlds. And I work with companies all over the world to try to do this to help forestry. And it's just a fascinating challenge to sort of make it really happen.